Hey, so I have to do a voiceover because I forgot to talk in this video, so yeah. I hate voiceovers. Anyways, okay, today I'm going to be doing a wash day routine, as you can tell by the title. So I'm just wetting my hair, and then I'm going to be using the brand Treasured Locks. They are a Black-owned company, and their products smell amazing, and they work really good in my hair. So I'm just going to be using the shampoo and conditioner today. I went back to just smell it like 3 times because it smelled so good. But yeah, I'm just like massaging it in my scalp, really making sure my scalp is nice and clean.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Let me out first, can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me more. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should part. Tell me something I ain't heard before. I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me out first, can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Penthouse view, left some flowers in the room. I'll make sure I leave the door unlocked. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late.
So I forgot to show it in this video, but I did deep condition my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Mask, and I left it in my hair for 30 minutes with a plastic bag on my head. So I'm just parting my hair the way I like it, and then I'm going to just put one side up because I like to work in 2 sections of my hair. It's usually never more than 2 sections because I'm lazy. So I'm using the OGX Argan Oil Conditioner as my leave-in. This stuff is absolutely amazing.
I apologize if I'm moving too far.
So to distribute the conditioner, I'm using this huge wide tooth comb that I bought at Target. It's amazing. And I definitely prefer it rather than the Tangle Teezer and the Diamond Brush because those brushes just make my hair have a lot of shrinkage and I'm not really into that. So I'm using my devacurl Super Stretch Cream. It looks like there's no product going in my hair because I was literally like running out. Like I need to get more because I didn't really have any. So I just used as much as I could. And then I'm using my Eco Styling Gel, the Crystal one. I switched from the Crystal to the Argan Oil Gel. I'm sure any Eco Styling Gel would work.
Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me more. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should part. Tell me something I ain't heard before. I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on.
So right now I'm just grabbing some random curls and I'm finger coiling. I've never tried this before. I think I want to experiment it for this video, and honestly it made my curls look really poppin' and defined. So I'm just doing that on the side of my head, in the back of my hair, and in my bang area.
So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me out first, can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out.
So this is the final look. Just kidding. This is my hair with all the products in there. And then I'm going to diffuse my hair right now. So to diffuse my hair, I use high air and low heat. This is the Dyson Supersonic Dryer. Thank you, Sue, for letting me borrow your hair dryer. But this dryer works really good. It's super expensive, and I usually use another blow dryer, but I was at my sister's house, so I just used this one because this is all I could find. So this is my final hair look. It looks really good, and this is going to last a few days for my wash and go. My hair was so bouncy, it was defined, and the curls were so soft. So I kind of just wanted to go with my aesthetic that I'm wearing a Hello Kitty shirt and added this little pink bow. I think it just looks super girly and cute. And thank you guys for watching.